Mayonnaise is a cold and creamy sauce commonly used in sandwiches, hot dogs, hamburgers, and French fries. Its delicious taste makes sandwiches juicier, turns hard-boiled eggs into deviled eggs, and serves as the creamy dressing for Russian salad. But have you ever wondered how mayonnaise is made? In this video, we'll discover how over 1 million bottles of mayonnaise are produced in a single day. Mayonnaise quickly became a popular and widespread sauce in European cuisine. In the early 20th century, a German immigrant named Richard Hellmann opened a shop in New York City. The salads his wife made with her homemade mayonnaise were popular items. When customers started asking if they could buy the mayonnaise, the Hellmanns began producing it in bulk. The condiment became so popular that they began selling it in small wooden containers. There are several recipes, but all include egg and oil as main ingredients. Mayonnaise is made by mixing egg yolks and oil, then seasoning with various combinations of vinegar, herbs, and spices. It all starts with thousands of eggs. 23,000 free-range hens lay their eggs in a 2,600 square meter barn. This is where mayonnaise production begins. Most hens lay an egg a day, and the factory relies on them because without eggs, there's no mayonnaise. Each egg is delicately placed in a tray ready for transport, always with the tip down, ensuring the yolk settles perfectly inside the tray. The 21,500 eggs will be enough to make nearly 11,000 jars of mayonnaise. The eggs are loaded onto pallets and travel to a specialized processing factory that receives and processes up to 4 million eggs each day. Mayonnaise only needs the egg yolk, so it needs to be separated from the egg white. A machine that can separate 280 eggs in 10 seconds is used for this. The yolks exit through chutes and are then pumped into a 10-liter tank. Later, salt is added. This increases the shelf life of the egg yolks from 2 weeks to 3 months. Then, it's pasteurized to kill any bacteria and packaged in a container. Each container holds 1,000 kilograms of salted egg yolk. These containers travel to the factory, and there's enough egg in each container to make 25,000 jars of mayonnaise. The raw egg arrives in liquid form and is pasteurized to kill salmonella and other bacteria. A worker connects the evacuation hose to the tank, and with a few taps of a hammer, the valve opens. An extra pump extracts the egg to a receiving tank, and all raw materials are checked to verify their freshness when they arrive at the processing plant. Stored materials are also periodically tested. The second main ingredient is soybean oil, which arrives in a tanker truck. As a safety measure, the tank comes sealed from the supplier to ensure it hasn't been opened until its arrival. A pumping system transfers the oil to a large storage tank. During the process, workers weigh the ingredients that make up the secret spice blend added to the mayonnaise. Next, white vinegar and salt are combined into the mix. Salt is added to enhance the flavor. Preservatives like calcium and sodium are also added to extend shelf life, and the mixture is poured into a large tank of room temperature water, creating what they call a slurry. So now there are 3 prepared tanks, one of slurry, one of egg yolk, and one of oil. For large-scale mayonnaise preparation, the process begins with mixing. Using a dosing system, the necessary amount is extracted from each tank and sent to a mixing container. The remaining ingredients are added and mixed until they're completely hydrated and evenly dispersed. In a matter of minutes, the egg, oil, and slurry are mixed together. Starch is also added to maintain texture for a longer period, and it's heated, creating a creamy and flavorful mayonnaise. At regular intervals, the factory collects samples and forwards them to the quality control department. Laboratory technicians evaluate various criteria, such as color, consistency, and flavor. Once it passes quality control, the mayonnaise is distributed into glass jars using a filling machine. The mayonnaise is moved through the pumping system to the bottling station. Pre-sterilized jars move along conveyor belts as predetermined amounts of mayonnaise are poured into the jars. The jars are sealed with metal screw caps. Each jar is filled with exactly 680 g of freshly prepared mayonnaise. The machine fills each jar in less than a second. The cap will preserve freshness and prevent tampering with the contents. After leaving the factory, A labeling machine applies the label, and the mayonnaise is bottled and ready to be added to your hamburger. The factory also packages mayonnaise in sachets, made on one side with transparent polyethylene film and on the other with the product's brand label. These will be sent to suppliers of packaged sandwiches and fast food restaurants. Like the video if you have enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating notifications to keep learning. Thank you for watching.